Symmetric. Today's article is symmetric difference of two sets. Let A and B are two sets. The symmetric difference of set A and B is the set A minus B union B minus A, and it is denoted by A delta B. Observe in the Venn diagram. Here X set is totally given, A set and B sets to draw here shaded regions, and this is difference between just like common parts are limits. A remaining set is a here symmetric difference of A and B, just like this. Here one example, if A is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and B set is 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Then the symmetric difference of set, that is here A delta B, just like can be written as A minus B union B minus A. But here A minus B is means A and B A sets and B complement sets are take, and take its here intersection is given, means A minus B is 2, 4, 6, and also find its B minus A. This is here 8 nines. Here A union B is equal to A minus B union B minus A is equal to, we get here common of elements, just like this. Here 1, 2, 4, 5, no 5 not here, 4, 6, 8, 9. This. Here this is a symmetric difference of A and B. Law of algebra of sets, idempotent laws. Here for any set A, we have A union A is equal to A. You are already known set A, and another set is also same A. Then union, that is exist same sets. Also second rule, A intersection is A equal to A. That is one set, and same sets, common set is same sets. Second law, identity laws. For any set A, we have first rule, identity law. A union phi is A. Phi is, this is empty set, A is any sets, we get union is, we get same sets A. A intersection U, just like this, U is universal sets. Universal set is all sets are collected in this set, so that A intersection U is, we get A. Here phi and U are identity elements for union and intersections respectively, means phi is identity of union sets. Phi add any sets, we get same sets, this identity. Also U is identity. Here take any sets intersection of U, we get this is the same set, so that U is multiplicative identity, just like similar, that is intersection. Third rule is commutative laws. For any law of two sets, for any two sets A and B, we have A union B is equal to B union A. You are already known. Similarly, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, means commutative law are here union is and intersections are satisfied. Third law, associative law, if A, B, C are any three elements and their associative property, intersection and unions are satisfied, that is simple, you are already known. Distributive law, if A, B and C are any three sets, then here A is distributed over intersection, and this is Just like here, A union B intersection C is union B intersection C is equal to A union B intersection A union C. Also, here intersection distribute over union A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. That is simple properties. Sixth law. Here De Morgan's laws. If A and B are any two sets, then A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Second law, A intersection B dash is equal to A dash union, this is a B dash. Here this is a two laws of here, that is simple proofs. You are already known. Here A is subset of B and B is subset of A. Then A is equal to B. Just like this is here, prove that. This type of. Here first take A union B dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Let x belongs to A union B dash. Therefore, then x belongs to not A union B, that is complement. Take its limits means x not belongs to A union B. This implies x not belongs to A and x not belongs to B. Just like this is here, opposites can be written. Therefore, x belongs to A dash and x belongs to B dash. Therefore, x belongs to A dash intersection B dash. Therefore, A union B, x belongs to A union B dash implies x belongs to A dash intersection B dash. Means therefore A union B dash is contained subset of A dash intersection B dash. This is here one equation. Conversely, here let x belongs to A dash intersection B dash. Therefore, this is here implies x belongs to A dash and x belongs to B dash. Means x belongs to not A, x belongs to not B. Therefore, x not belongs to A union B. Therefore, x belongs to A union B dash means complement of A union B. Here x belongs to A dash union B dash implies x belongs to A union B dash means here A dash intersection B dash is subset of A union B dash. This equation number 2. Combining A and B together, here we get A union B dash is equal to here A dash intersection B dash. This is first. Similarly, second, also this is a proof that is easily we get these results. Next theorem, if A, B, C are sets, and there are two properties here given, just like A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. Second, A minus B intersection C equal to A minus B union here A minus C. And this is here prove that. Proof of first is, I give only one proof, try it second proofs. Let x belongs to take LHS of this first. X belongs to A minus B union C. That is simple. Then this is here implies x belongs to A and x not belongs to B union C. Implies x belongs to A and x is neither in B nor in C. Just like this can be written as x belongs to A, x is not in B, x is not in C. This is here operates x belongs to A and x is not in B, and x belongs to A and x is not in C. Therefore, this can be written in mathematically x belongs to A minus B and x belongs to A minus C. We show that X belongs to A minus B intersection A minus C. This is first steps. Similarly, also such as, that is, A minus B union C intersection A minus B intersection A minus C. This equation number 1. Also the converse, let X belongs to A minus B intersection A minus C. Then X belongs to here A minus B and X belongs to A minus C. Therefore, X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. Also second, here X belongs to A and X belongs to not C. Therefore, here X belongs to A. Here this common, take out sides, X belongs to A and X belongs to not B, X belongs to not C. Means X belongs to A and X belongs to not B union C. Therefore, X belongs to A minus B union C. Therefore, X belongs to A minus B intersection A minus C. Then this implies X belongs to A minus B union C. Therefore, A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. This is proved the result, that is simple. Try it one or two times, writes, we get the result. Any problem? No. Then next, here one example I give. Observe here. If A is equal to X, that is A set such that here X, that is X square minus 8X plus 15 equal to 0, then A sets of given just like quadratic equation, and this equation solve it. We get this is the numbers, and these numbers means A elements. Then second set B is equal to here X such that X square minus 7X plus 10 is equal to 0. That is C is equal to such that X square minus 4X plus 3 equal to 0. Write down these is sets. Therefore, first this is the three sets are rights. Just like three sets are right means here its roots we get these three sets. And find its values are A union B, A intersection B, B union C, A intersection C, and A union B intersection C. Here this is 5 values are in this examples finds. Let A is equal to X such that X square minus 8X plus 15 equal to 0, this quadratic equation. And this quadratic equation solve it, you are already known. Here x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0 is equal to here x minus 3 into x minus 5. This is one sets x equal to here 3 and 5 roots. Similar, this is the coordinate x square minus 7x plus 10. That is the 10 of this is 2 into 5. Means x equal to here 2 and 5. Here x cube minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. This coordinate equation. And this is here solve its 1 and 3. Just like x equal to 1, 3. Therefore, sets this is easily solve it. Means here A set is elements are 3, 5. B sets are elements to 5 and C of 1, 3. Here find its first A union B. Here A union B are takes, this is common only one element, this is 5. Second A intersection B, A intersection 5 B. There are this also, this is a 5 element. A union B is 2, 3, 5 and A intersection B is only 5 elements. Sorry. B union C is equal to B sets is here to 5, C is 1, 3, and therefore this is union all elements just like 1, 2, 3 and 5. Fourth, this is A intersection C. A intersection C takes A is 3, 5, C is 1, 3. Only 3 element is here common, so that A intersection C equal to 3. And this is fifth, A union B intersection C. Therefore, this is here A elements is 3, 5 and B intersection C is equal to B intersection C equal to B intersection C is no elements, that is phi, so that A is 3 5 and this is B intersection is phi. Therefore, union is same elements A, that is 3 5. That is the next example similar to this. Here x equal to, here n belongs to capital N such that n is less than 14 be the universal sets, just like x set is given. Here this is less than 14 means 13 elements, 1 to 13 elements are in X, that is universal set. A set is given n means natural numbers, n belongs to n such that 5 is less than n is less than 13 means middle of 5 to 13 elements, that is 6 to 12 elements are in E. B sets n belongs to n. Therefore, n is such that 7 is less than n is 12 means B sets are elements here 8 to 11 and C sets n such that n belongs to n. 4 is less than n is less than 11 means 4 is less than means 5 to 10 elements in presented in C. Therefore, this is here observed. Write down the following sets by listing of their elements. Here answers are finding here. X is 1 to 13, A is 6 to 12, B is 8 to 11, C to 5 to 10. This is sets. We want A of complement. A set is given 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and X sets are 1 to 13 elements. Therefore, A omits from X. Remaining elements means E set. You are already known. That is A dash equal to X minus A. X belongs to capital X such that X belongs to not E. And therefore, this is elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and just like this is 13 we get A complement. B complement, here this is a B of complement equal to X minus B and this is that here B is 8, 9, 10, 11. These elements are omitted from set X. Remaining elements in set we get this is B dash, that is B dash equal to X minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 12, 13. C dash similarly find its A minus B, here A minus B X such that X belongs to A and this is X not belongs to B. Here similarly A is given sets, B is sets. Here B of 8, 9, 10, 11, this is 4 elements. These 4 elements in set A omitted. Remaining elements are this is here 6, 7, 12. This is B minus C is equal to X, X belongs to B and X naught belongs to C. Here B of elements 8, 9, 10, 11 and C of elements just like this is here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like this of not element C belongs to this is limits. Here we get this is elements are we get 11. Next, C dash minus A dash. C dash means take complement of C dash and minus A dash means A of take complements and take its subtraction and this subtraction just like these elements X. X not belongs to C dash and X belongs to C dash and X not belongs to A dash. Then this is only this answer is 11 and 12. Here fourth example, here that is a theorem just like this is property first and this of uses in above. If A and B are in two sets then show that A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash means minus sign just like this is a take intersection and its next elements are this is complements and this property is proved that similarly in above theorems, above exam theorems. Here consideration first result, second result is A minus B union B minus A equal to A union B minus A union C intersection B. Here first example of proof, let x belongs to A minus B, then x belongs to A minus B means x belongs to A and x not belongs to B. Therefore, this implies x belongs to A and x belongs to B dash. Therefore, x belongs to A intersection B dash means x belongs to A minus B implies x belongs to A intersection B dash. So that therefore A minus B is subset of A intersection B dash, equation number 1. Conversely, let x belongs to A intersection B dash, then x belongs to A and x belongs to B dash. Therefore, this implies x belongs to A and x belongs to not B. Therefore, here x belongs to A minus B. Here x belongs to A intersection B dash implies x belongs to A minus B means A intersection B dash subset of A minus B. This equation number 2. From 1 and 2, let x belongs to A minus B union B minus A. Then x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A implies x belongs to A and x will not belongs to B, or x belongs to B and x not belongs to A. Something interchanges here, x belongs to B take in first sets, x minus B belongs to second brackets, that is implies x belongs to A or x belongs to B and x belongs to not B or x belongs to not A. This implies x belongs to A union B and x belongs to not intersection A minus B. This implies x belongs to A union B minus A intersection B. That is A minus B union B minus A is subset of A union B minus A intersection B, equation number 1. Conversely, x belongs to A union B minus A intersection B. Therefore, this implies x belongs to A union B and x belongs to not A intersection B. Similarly, these combinations x belongs to A and or x belongs to B and x belongs to A or x belongs to not B. X belongs to A and x belongs not B, take here, or x belongs to B and x belongs to not A. Therefore, this implies x belongs to A minus B or x belongs to B minus A. Therefore, x belongs to A minus B union B minus A. Just like from this we get A union B minus A intersection B is subset of A minus B union B minus A. Therefore, equation number 2, combining 1 and 2, we get A minus B union B minus A is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. That is easily prove that simply. Next example, that is simple. If A belongs to N such that An is equal to Ax dot x belongs to N. Describe the sets 3n intersection 5n. Means A is set is natural number sets and this is numbers are multiplied A. We get this type of these times natural numbers, we get this. We have An is equal to Ax, x belongs to N. Just like we want first 3 times, we have An is equal to Ax, x belongs to N. 3n, that is 3x, x belongs to N. 3 times of natural numbers we get 1 into 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18 dot dot, we get all numbers are positive. Similarly, 5n equal to 5x, x belongs to N. These 5 times of natural numbers, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Just like this is 3n and 5n of combination of elements, this is common of both. Here 5 is not common, 10 is not common, that is 15 common, similar 20 common, 20 not here, this is 15 common and this 30 common, This is similarly dot dot. Therefore 15x, x belongs to n. Therefore this is 15n is here intersection of sets. Therefore 3n intersection 5n is equal to 15n. Just like this is article is finished. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल बघूया पुढच्या लेक्चरला स्टार्ट करू. आत्तापर्यंतचा तुम्ही व्यवस्थित अभ्यास करा. काही दिलेले प्रॉब्लेम्स पुस्तकात दिलेले प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करायसाठी आहेत ते तुम्ही सॉल्व करा. आणि काही अडचणी असतील तरी तुम्ही व्हॉट्सअपवर पाठवू शकताय किंवा मला डायरेक्ट फोन करून